This is Asus gaming laptop and unable to power on. We checked the board. There is onboard memory and onboard memory is shorted, and we have to remove the shorting and disconnect this memory and put another memory in slot. We are repairing this board with the help of BIOS reprogramming. We connect the BIOS, and in BIOS we disable the onboard memory. This is a onboard memory disable options. We disable the onboard memory. For that reason, first we open the BIOS, connect the BIOS in our machine, and now reading our old data. See, read old data, and we disable memory, onboard memory, with the help of BIOS programming. And this short dead gaming laptop repaired with the help of external memory. We use external slot memory, and instead of replacing motherboard, we on this board. Thank you. Now we disable the memory, onboard memory, in the BIOS. With the help of reprogramming BIOS, we remove the BIOS and install BIOS and saved old BIOS file. This is our old BIOS file, and this is our software for memory disable option, and we just drag this file on this software and all ticks and this software disable the onboard memory in the original BIOS file and connect. See, after clicking here OK, there is another file. This file 16.384 KB. This is our onboard memory disable file. Now we have to reprogramming the by file again in our this BIOS. We have to reprogram this file in this file, this BIOS IC. Now we detect this BIOS IC, open the file, destination. This is our file, open. Now write. Now this BIOS is onboard memory disable BIOS, and we use external slot memory. Thank you. See, now we solder the BIOS inside, and now we connect this motherboard to the system. It's taken 0.06, and now we have to negative switch, because switch in keyboard. We switch this board with the help of negative switch. This board is switch on now. See, board is switch on, and we connect our power pen drive. If there is blue light in pen drive, board is powered on, and display also. If there is blue light in pen drive, see, 13 blue light is coming. This Asus tough gaming laptop motherboard is ready now. Instead of replacing motherboard of 35,000 rupees board approximately, we disable the memory. Onboard memory is faulty, and we use slot memory, and this board is now live again. Thank you.